Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Javier Figueroa, and tonight I'm going to show you my network routing problem where we implement the Dijkstra algorithm for shortest path routing. So we start by importing the necessary libraries, which are the priority queue and the system library. We use the system library to define infinity, which for our purposes is enough to be the max size that Python allows for. Then we define some helper variables, which are the vertex IDs and the vertex names. We use this so we can refer to these positions in the graph by their name in the graph instead of their indices, and this will make it much easier to read the code afterwards. So we encode the graph in the edge matrix form, in which every row represents a certain node connection to other nodes. So for example, in the first row, the first column represents the connection between the first node and itself and consecutive nodes. Then we go to define the Dijkstra algorithm. This is explained in detail in the report, but basically this is a dynamic programming algorithm where we have a distance list and a previous list. Then we insert all the nodes, all the vertex in the not visited queue based on their priority being the distance between the current node and the next node. And we go node by node, adding to the list of distances whichever node has the least distance to the node that we're currently seeing. After we do all this, we need to reconstruct the path. We do this by going through the previous list, starting from the destination node, and we work our way backwards until we complete the path, and we just revert the list, and that's it. That's how the Dijkstra algorithm works. So if we run the code real fast here, we'll see that when we ask for the distance between New York and California too, we see that the shortest path is from New York to DC, from DC to Texas, and from Texas to California too. From Washington, the shortest path is Washington to Illinois, Illinois to Pennsylvania, and Pennsylvania to Georgia. And from California 1 to New Jersey, the shortest route is California 1 to Utah, Utah to Michigan, and Michigan to New Jersey. So this has been my presentation. Have a good afternoon.